Today we are kicking off our exploration into the world of cybersecurity with a focus on one of the most powerful tools in our arsenal, Kali Linux. What is Kali Linux? You might be wondering. Kali Linux is just an operating system. It's a robust, purpose-built platform designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. Whether you are a seasoned cybersecurity professional or just diving into the field, Kali Linux is the go-to choice for testing the security of networks and applications. Why Kali Linux? You might be wondering. Well, it's all about the tools. Kali Linux comes pre-built with an extensive collection of powerful penetration testing tools, making it favorite among the ethical hackers and security experts. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity tasks. So let's dive into the installation of amazing operating system. Now we are to our PC system, and here is the website kali.org. Click on the download, and after that click on the recommended. So here you can see that this is the installer version of the Kali. Click on the download. This is 3.9 GB and it will take some time, so give it a proper time and it will be downloaded. And before any further, we are going to install the Rufus, which is the software to install the iOS systems. So here you have to click the given link, and yeah, basically this is the Rufus 4.3.exe. you just have to click on it and it will start getting downloaded, and on clicking it you will see that this has been installed. So this is a very lightweight software, this is not a heavyweight. Now I am going to open it and plug your USB device, which is I have already a boot USB device. Now I am again going to boot. Click on the select option and choose your ISO image file. I have already one in my PC. So the ISO image is basically the version. So here you can see that my partition style is MBR. Let me explain what is actually the MBR. The MBR means here you can go on this PC and manage tab, and after that you will be able to see that where your what is the partition style of your PC. In order to install the Windows, the operating system, you have to care what is the partition style of your PC. So here you have to click on the disk management. After that click on the disk 0 and properties, volumes. Here you can see that the master boot record, which mean in short you can say that this is MBR. So here you can see that this is the MBR, and the second one is the GPT, which is guided partition style, something like that. GPT, you have to click on that. So here I am going to all the data will be raised, which is inside in the device. So I have agreed this is going to be start, and this will take some time. Give it some time, and I am fast forwarding it in order to make the video short. So here you can see that we have successfully installed our Kali Linux in our USB boot drive. Here you can see that my USB is now bootable, completely boot, and now we are going to close this, and here I am putting the USB into the USB port of my laptop, and after plugging in I have opened my laptop and click on the escape button. So this will depend on your configurations. Go on the boot menu. After that you just have to select the boot option priority and set the USB on the first priority. Here UFI SCSI is my USB device. I have selected it, and now press F10 or save and exit, and you can see that click on the yes button. So here is the installation. Click enter or graphical installation, you can select. So this is going to be installed automatic. Click English on there, and after that select the US, select American English, and hit enter, and after that it will start installing these steps. Here you can see that it is being scanning the installation media. We will give it some time in order to get our operating system installed successfully. No ethernet card, I don't have any internet card, so I have continued. Click on continued. So again I am going to hit the continue button. Yeah, select the continue, and here it is asking for the name is the Kali. Here it is saying that what is the full name. I am going to not giving, so it is mandatory to give a full name for your operating system. If you haven't given the full name, you just have to mention. So here I am typing my channel name, which is WebWonders. Typing WebWonders in order to save my Kali Linux username, and hit continue. After hitting continue, you just have to type the password. Here I am typing my password, which my password will be ILYS and ILYAS. After that, again I am typing the same password inside this section. Click on the use and clicking on the continue button. So there we go, and here you can see that this is saying the external. I have clicked on it. This is the you just have to type the defaults which is already given option, and click OK or hit enter. This is a straightforward process to installation of the Kali Linux. So here I am going to select the first, use the so I will going to select the second, use the entire disk, and select the first one and click on the continue. So this will click on the continue in order to execute further, or hit enter. Here it is saying that you just have to select the default ones which it is preferring. So here I am again also going to click on the continue button. Yes, and here you should to check on the yes option. If you select no option and continue, this will not move further no matter what happen. So it is necessary or mandatory to click on the yes. So this will erase the all of the disk space which have previously any files. This will make it clean or format for operating system. Here you can see that partitions is formatting. So this has been successfully format our C file and installation the base system. Now you can see that it is installing our base system successfully. So give it some time, it will take some time, and after that we will see a large process which takes some time, but I have made it possible to fast forward it. And here it is saying that you just have to install these tools. I am going to click on the continue button. So select and install software. It is basically installing necessary software for the Kali Linux, and here you can see our progress is going on. I will update you step by step. Now it is saying, you can say that the installing GURB bootloader and our copying files has been cleared, and now it is installing the GURB bootloader, which is the bootloader of the operating system, finishing the installation. And you can see that we have successfully installing our system without any error. This is a pretty much straightforward way to install the Kali Linux on your machine. So sorry for the video quality, bad video quality, because I don't have any idea that how I can screen record at the time of the doing window. So that's why I prefer to record the video with my mobile. Sorry for that, and enjoy the installation of the Kali Linux. I hope you guys are also excited about installation of this Windows, because this is a very specific tool in the hacking environment and the hacking community. This is really cool. If you are really hacker, you just have to make it your favorite operating system, because this creates a lot of fun for the hackers, and a lot of easy to use features are built in within this system. So here you can see this is totally automated process. I did not have any click any button. So you can see that it is forwarding, and it is, yeah, it is going to opening the our Kali Linux machine. And here you can see that this is the Kali Linux. I have typed the WebWonders, and here I am going to type our password, which is, you all guys knows, it is Elias, and login, hit login, and there we go. This is our Kali Linux